Welcome. Today I'd like to tell you about Skipline's latest features available for the DL-18 and HDVO touchscreen systems. If you've installed the newest generic update, you're in for some powerful new features designed to enhance your workflow. First up, we have the pattern preview feature. This powerful tool allows you to live view the selected pattern on both the centerline and edgeline master switch boxes. Experience seamless teamwork between the driver and operator, as both can now visualize the pattern in real time, ensuring precise coordination before the first drop of paint hits the road. Next, let's dive into stripe length correction. This feature is perfect for those who demand precision. We've automated the process for per gun delays so you can achieve the exact skip length you need. Here's how it works. Choose a material gun, paint 3 skips, ignore the first one, and measure the length of the second and third skips. Consistency is key, so ensure that your skips are all about the same length and your distance calibration is accurate. Once you have your measurements, go to the Setup tab, click on Operator Settings, and then Stripe Length Correction. Here, you can select the gun line used, then enter the desired stripe length, the actual measured length, and the truck speed. Skipline will calculate and apply the necessary delay to your selected gun. And finally, the Counters tab, previously only available on the SC12 master boxes. This feature is now integrated into the DL-18 and HDVO systems. This tab allows you to view, print, and clear counter channels directly from your touchscreen, streamlining your process and making data management easier than ever. All these features are now at your fingertips, making the DL-18 and HDVO even more powerful tools in your lineup. For those unfamiliar with installing the update, we've got an instructional video to guide you through the process. Unlock the full potential of your Skipline DL-18 and HDVO today. Update your systems now and experience the difference.